We're making good progress. We're now able to add items to our list here, and we're managing this list in an efficient way. Now, what we're not able to do yet, though, is remove items. And it would be nice if we could simply tap those items and they would be deleted. Now, to make them tappable, if this would be a web app, all you had to do would be that you add an on-click prop to the item. That's how you would do it in the web. But this is not how it works in React Native. Instead, here, if you want to make an item pressable, you have to let React Native know. And you let React Native know by wrapping the item that should be pressable into a specific component provided by React Native. And that would be the pressable component. React Native also knows a component named touchable and various related components like touchable highlight and touchable native feedback and touchable opacity. But those are components that are not deprecated, but that should be replaced by pressable now. So these touchable components are the old React Native way. Pressable is the way forward. So we use pressable by simply wrapping the item that should be pressable with it. Like this. In my goal item, I wrap my view with pressable. And with that, this item becomes pressable. And whenever we press any item inside of pressable, so in this case, this view with this text, this onPress prop will trigger the function that we provide to it. So we should provide a function to onPress. And since I plan on deleting items in the future, I will define this function in app.js, because here I'm managing my course goals state, and here I will have to delete items in the future. So I will add a delete goal handler function here in app.js. And for the moment, I'll just console log delete here in this function. We will, of course, replace this with proper code later. Now the delete goal handler should be provided to the goal item, and therefore I'll add a prop here. And since it's my component, it's my choice how this prop should be named. And I'll name it onDeleteItem and pass my delete goal handler function to that. A pointer to this delete goal handler function is passed as a value to onDeleteItem on my goal item component. And now this onDeleteItem prop can be used in that component. And here I can, for example, simply forward it like that. We might tweak it later, but for the moment, we can just do it like this. Now if I save this, if I tap on one of these items, I get no visual feedback. But if I go back, you see that delete was logged to the terminal. So indeed, this already works. Of course, some visual feedback would be nice, and we will add it in a second. But for the moment, it's great that this works.